If your business wants to get paid faster without building a full checkout process, payment links are the simplest path. I will show you what they are, how to use them in real life, and how you can set them up with Airwallex in just a few minutes. Now, if you are unfamiliar, payment links are a secure payment URL that you can generate instantly and share with your customers either by email, SMS, chat, or social media. Your customer clicks on it, lands on a secure payment page, pays with their preferred method, and you get instant confirmation of their purchase. No need to build a website, no need to code anything. Here is why this works. For your business, you can collect payments even without a checkout page or e-commerce store. And for your customers, they can easily and securely complete their purchase with just a few simple clicks. Fewer steps mean lower bounce rate and higher checkout conversion rate. Now, payment links also let you easily collect international payments from customers worldwide, so you can easily expand your business globally. Payment links can be embedded into invoices or sent directly over email or social media. They are perfect when you sell before you have a storefront or when you want to take payment the moment a quote is approved. Here's why creating a payment link through Airwallex is a great option. First, it's a hassle-free setup, as you can set up a payment link instantly within the Airwallex application and share it with your customers without coding anything. Also, it supports local payment methods, as Airwallex's payment links provides the flexibility to accept payments from anywhere in the world. With 160 plus local payment methods across 180 plus countries, including cards, digital wallets, Apple Pay and Google Pay, and popular buy now pay later options like Klarna and Afterpay. It also supports multi-currency, as customers can pay in their currency and you settle like for like into your wallet in 14 plus currencies without any forced conversions. Additionally, Airwallex integrates seamlessly with accounting software like Xero, QuickBooks, and NetSuite, so invoicing and reconciliation happens automatically. It also allows you to link a custom domain and branding to build trust, as payment links can be customized with your own branding, logo, and business name. Finally, it gives you full security with 3D secure verification where needed, plus a risk engine to reduce fraud. Here is the step-by-step process on how you can create a payment link in Airwallex. First, you want to sign in and go to payments and then payment links. Enter the amount, currency, and description, and optional items like invoice number and customer email. You then brand the page with your logo and business name, generate the link and copy it or download the QR code. Finally, you share it by email, SMS, WhatsApp, or drop it into your invoice. And that's it, you just get paid. You and the customer receive confirmation and the payment appears in your dashboard for reconciliation. Some real-world use cases for payment links: we've got invoices and retainers, as you can add the link to the PDF and get paid on approval. Customer support, as you can send a link during a chat to close an unpaid balance. Social and messaging, where you can DM a link for limited offers or pre-orders. And field services and delivery, where you can show the QR code on a device and collect on site. For the best practices, you want to put the amount and due date in the message that carries the link. Include your invoice number in the link description for clean reconciliation. Use like-for-like settlement where supported so that you can avoid effects on receipt. Turn on notifications so sales and finance see payments in real time, and build a short template for emails and chats so your team sends consistent requests. So as you can see, within a few seconds, I was able to generate a payment link using Airwallex. They help you by reducing friction and let you easily start collecting online payments from customers all around the world. If you would like to try payment links today, go ahead and open up your free Airwallex account with the Explore plan by using the link in the description below this video. You can also upgrade your plan as your volumes or business needs grow. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think of Airwallex by leaving a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our future uploads relating to this one.